we have youngsters who are having going into chronic or acute kidney diseases. Some of them are having severe muscle loss, some of them are having severe deficiency. So it cannot be for a short term, it is a serious business. As I said, it has to be holistically and medically supervised manner way it has to be approached here.
सो नॉर्मली जो लोगों का कंसेप्ट है कि अगर मैं बहुत ओबीज हूँ तो मैं जस्ट बेरियाट्रिक सर्जन को मिल लेता हूँ. आई थिंक यू आर सेइंग दैट ओनली दैट इज़ नॉट एडिक्वेट. सो व्हाट इज़ योर आइडिया दैट why it cannot be only managed by surgery?
Okay. As my funda is very clear for this, because everything can be achieved when it is been managed or holistically with approached in that way. Even if we send initially if we send a patient for surgeries, if the patient goes under the knife, there are many of them who rebound to tend to gain the weight back, and they are not basically properly counseled, or they are not properly trained enough. Their brain is not trained enough ki even after surgery they need to undergo some type of lifestyle changes, and if they are not prepared, definitely they are going to get that back. So if we say about even medical management, we try to change the patient's behavioral pattern, the right attitude what they have to achieve, so they sustain for a long term. So directly undergoing knife, definitely you'll get bad results post that. Even being into medical management, it is not that easy. I do endoscopic bariatric procedures. It is just one part of treating the patients for a faster and a quicker weight loss. But ultimately you need to be more disciplined, so you get the better results for a longer duration of time.
ये जो आपने एंडोस्कोपिक प्रोसीजर के बारे में बात किया था, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा एक सिंपल लैंग्वेज में जो हमारे नॉर्मल व्यूअर्स को समझे कि एग्जैक्टली ये क्या, कुछ नया सुन रही हूँ मैं भी.
Yes, so intragastric bariatric procedures, intragastric balloon जिसको कहते हैं, I personally call this as body light ballooning. So your body light becomes light when we insert the balloon, and there are a couple of type of different balloons of 6 months. We have one year balloon as well, which is adjustable balloon. Some balloons are non-adjustable. So it is being inserted endoscopically inside the stomach, and it stays there for certain period of time, जहाँ पे आपका body achieve certain types of satiety, calorie intakes goes down. Correct. And very important, there is hormonal changes inside the body with the ghrelin types of hormones which are present. तो इसका complete changes होता है जहाँ पे you start achieving the satiety, means you feel कि you are full. And another important part is your gastric delayed time is there. So whenever you eat, the food doesn't goes past immediately where you run to the washroom, so it is been delayed. And there are certain mechanisms behind this where you try to achieve certain type of weight loss in particular period of time. Of course, with that, again, very importantly, lifestyle changes is very important.
Correct.
Behavioral pattern and therapy is very important. Without that, even surgery can fail. Even with this, the procedures can fail.
So eventually it is, as you said, that it is a holistic approach which will sustain the person. And अगर कोई person अपनी problem से, weight loss problem से, weight gain problem से बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान है, तो वो ऐसे किसी मतलब obesity and metabolic syndrome physician से मिल सकते हैं जो